We've got another exceptional Chevelle right here, a 1967 Chevelle 300 Post Coupe, kind of a sleeper car that's lived its entire life in Arizona. It has no rust, uh, completely rebuilt, balanced, dyno tuned, big block under the hood with all the March pulleys, vintage air, power steering, power disc brakes, overdrive automatic, 373 posi. Beautiful car, detailed front to back. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, really clean, exceptional body. And you're looking at this hood like I did. Like, what is this? It's a custom made, one of a kind hood. It's kind of like the cowl hood, but it's kind of rounded. And it has the 67 Super Sport grills in there. One of a kind feature, and they did a great job. It looks fantastic. The gaps are spot on, absolutely straight. I mean, every square inch of this is straight. I don't see a bubble or blister or bump or a wave or a dent. It really looks awesome. Absolutely clean all the way down. Jambs are painted up real nice. Shuts nice and solid. The roof is straight. Quarter panels are straight. All of this here clean, straight. I don't see an issue. It's the 300, so it's a stripped down, doesn't have all the fancy trim, just a nice clean base car. Again, it was built in California, lived in Arizona, dry. Look at the reflection all the way at the bottom. It still has the factory spot weld dimples around the wheel well lip. All clean, straight, all the way down from the rockers to the roof. Nice jambs. Shuts like a new car. It's Cortez Silver. It's painted in a Chroma base. I think that's PPG. The metallic is laid out nice, and it has a Chroma clear coat over it. It's polished like glass. It's smooth. It's slick. It's shiny. It's glossy. Exceptional body and paint. All the trim looks like it's been replaced. The bumper is just like show quality chrome. The emblems, the grill, even has a little front spoiler put down there. Windshield's crystal clear. I'm sure that's new. Correct antenna looks new. Stainless moldings look very good. Has a bow tie mirror on both sides. They look new. The rubber seal here is new. Door handles are like an 8 out of 10. The rubber seals in here have been replaced. The rest of the glass is very good, original. 15-inch rally wheels with new trim. It's got the flat caps in the middle. They're a little bit wider in the back than in front. And they're wrapped in BF Goodrich tires. Has the 300 emblem right here. A lot of people never even heard of a Chevelle 300. I almost called it a Chrysler 300. And back here, all the trim, the lenses, all looking real nice and shiny and looking good. All right, let's open it up. It's just as good inside here. I love the motor compartment. All right, let's look inside the trunk compartment. Yeah, looking underneath the trunk, how slick it's painted. The jambs are painted slick. Weather strip looks new. And this is what the nice thing about Arizona, dry, clean metal. Look how nice that is in there. No rust at all. Original quarter panels. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and when you do, click the bell icon so you're notified when new videos are posted. Pretty cool color combination. It's different. It stands out. Silver with the blue interior. Then jambs are slick. Weather strips replaced. Reproduction door panels, armrests, the chrome bases, the handles, cranks, all that shiny and new looking. Well, I gotta light up these gauges for us. There's a modern set of gauges. Light up blue. 277 miles on the car since it's been done. This is all replaced. The knobs, the chrome, the bezels. Has a digital retro stereo in there. These are actually modern controls. It looks original, but these are electric now instead of the old cables. All this is replaced. The AC vents were installed in the dash very neatly. Interior light works. Kick panels are clean. Nice bright blue carpet. Center consoles mint. The clock works. All this is looking really nice and sharp. Now the seats are completely rebuilt. I can actually hear the springs going boing. The cushions are all new, and look how nice it fits when you put new cushions in. That's what makes the upholstery fit right. The seat backs are real nice. Now this car used to have headrests. That's a pretty rare option. If you could find those, they'd slide right in, but we don't have them. The light works at the back of the console. We've also got seat belts up here in front. Wall to wall, it's all redone. The side panels, the upholstery, the window cranks. When I was backing the car up earlier, I was noticing there's not a wrinkle in those sail panels. Those are always wrinkled. Look how nice, and look how nice the trim fits. All looking really good. Headliner, nice and tight as well. Dome light works. Visors were replaced. The mirror was replaced. Has a tilt column with a deluxe steering wheel. Modern fuse panel with the push-in fuses, so it's been rewired. Yeah, really nice car. Door jambs are even cleaned up front by the hinges. I have the complete rebuild specs from the machine shop that did this engine. It was balanced, it was board 30 over, comp cam, roller rockers. It was dyno tuned at 387 horsepower, 418 pounds of torque. Up on top, it has a GM aluminum intake. It's a Sniper EFI fuel injection system. Billet distributor, so it's a modern electronic ignition. Has a set of coated headers. Look how nice and clean and smooth the firewall is. Has these billet hinges that I absolutely love. They move so smoothly. All painted real nice. All the hoses are run behind the fender. Has the March front runner system, so the mini polished compressor, the billet brackets, billet pulleys with a serpentine belt, upgraded aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, modern one-wire alternator, also has an aluminum water pump that helps it run a little cooler, modern power steering, see how the reservoir's over here, matching polished overflow bottle. Then we got power brakes with the cadmium plated booster. Squirters are hooked up. Under the hood's painted shiny. Really nice, fresh, well done restoration. Michael's going to show you how well this motor runs. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Everybody, I'm liking this Chevelle right here. Rock'em sock'em, man. It's 396 under the hood, dyno tune at 387 horsepower, 418 foot-pounds of torque. Heck yeah, sign me up. Then you got the 200R4 automatic overdrive transmission. And even with the 373 Posi out back, I mean, this is still good for cruising on the highway too. Seats feel great, not only recovered but restuffed. You can definitely feel the difference. So interior is fantastic. Outside it'd be in really cool colors. And I think this is a Dakota digital gauge cluster that we got here. A little readout in the digital readout in the center there, and then you can toggle flip between what the options are there. Well, let's see what she's got. Alright, and just like that we're doing 60 miles an hour. Man, this engine purrs like a lion, I tell you. Balanced, and it's evident in the way that it runs. This is absolutely fantastic build on the engine. and on the car likewise. It's got a great, nice, tight feel to it. Goes down the road straight. Let's check out the alignment on the upgraded suspension. I mean, you're not going to get much better than that, folks. Absolutely fantastic, nice quality build here. Sounds great, runs great. This one does everything for me. Check out all the details at volocars.com, and we'd love to see you down here at the museum to take a test drive if you feel you got time.
So that nice, clean Arizona rust-free metal is underneath the car too. The floors are immaculate. The braces, the inner rockers behind the tire, it's as clean as I've ever seen. It was prepped and painted a semi-gloss black. It's really beautiful. All the suspension and steering was rebuilt, and it was upgraded with a Hotchkiss suspension kit. Fat sway bar, upper and lower tubular control arms, coil-over adjustable gas shocks. Same thing in back, coil-over adjustable shocks, fat sway bar, tubular control arms, and frame braces. All new fuel system compatible with the fuel injection, new tank, high pressure lines. Disc brake conversion in front, so that's new. The lines were replaced. The e-brake assembly was replaced. Has a really nice dual exhaust system. Sounds real good. Actually sounds perfect. I thought this was one of the best sounding muscle cars. I mean, it's just perfect. It's not too much, not too little. It's just right. Looking up at the motor, it's spotless. High torque starter. 200 R4 overdrive automatic trans. It's nice for cruising. It has a thinned aluminum pan on it that looks real sharp. A rebuilt drive shaft goes back to the 12-bolt 373 Posi rear end. This car is exceptional, folks. Go look at 100 of them. This will be in the top 5, if not the top 1. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, like how to get your Chevelle 300 delivered to your door. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.